exploring only with Sophia.
Style segment only with Janie Liang.
और करा रही हूँ different events, venues और hot and happening places.
ये जुस्तजू मेरे दिल की यूं ही रहे ये कारवां
Keep watching Explore with Sophia only in K2 TV.
मंजिल तो अपनी दूर है बढ़ना के जरूर है
Hi viewers, Explore with Sophia के साथ हम एक नए वेन्यू को एक्सप्लोर करने मौजूद हैं। आपको बताती चलूं कि आज का इवेंट जो हम एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं वो एक फंड रेजिंग इवेंट है और वो दुबई में जुमेरा होटल में हो रहा है। लेट्स चेक इट आउट कि एक्सप्लोर इवेंट क्या है। उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारे ये एक्सप्लोर विद सोफिया पसंद आ रहा होगा। कीप वॉचिंग एक्सप्लोर विद सोफिया ओनली ऑन K2 चैनल। जी व्यूअर्स, आप देख रहे हैं कि मैं वेन्यू पे पहुंच चुकी हूं और वो वेन्यू कौन सा है? एक फंड रेजिंग इवेंट है केयर फाउंडेशन के साथ। जी व्यूअर्स, हमारे साथ यहाँ पे वो मौजूद हैं जो कि अफगानिस्तान से बिलोंग करते हैं एंड ही इज होस्टिंग हियर टुडे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। क्या
आपका नाम क्या है?
सियारा शेख।
मुझे बताएं कि केयर फाउंडेशन क्या है?
केयर फाउंडेशन पाकिस्तान का एक सबसे बड़ा फाउंडेशन जो कि हर साल यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन करते हैं, इवेंट्स रखते हैं,
फंड रेजिंग करते हैं।
फंड रेजिंग करते हैं। एग्जैक्टली हर साल की तरह सब इधर जमा होके और केयर फाउंडेशन की तरफ से लाइक डोनेशन ये सब कर रहे हैं और अच्छा लग रहा है।
चलें, थैंक यू सो मच। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। How are you? Would you cater something about the Care Foundation?
Sure.
Tell me about Care Foundation. What do you know about it?
Well, what I know about CARE is, of course, that they run schools in Pakistan, and they've been doing a wonderful job of it. Also, the fact that they have taken over a whole bunch of government schools, which was very impressive, which is what I learned from one of the previous functions. And I try and support Seher in her work here as much as I can, and I wish them well. You know, I was always there to support CARE.
Thank you so much.
You know, I just know that I think they look after a lot of schools and students. And a friend was just telling me that I think they probably 125,000 children are studying every day. And and I just know that I think there were 2 children who come from pretty low, income families, and they've just one has got into lumps and one has gone into UAT. That's all I know.
What do you know about Care Foundation?
This is the first time I'm attending it, so but the same thing that they sponsor a lot of schools, helping a lot of children in Pakistan. So this is my first time attending this function. Just see how it goes.
We have another guest over here. She's a banker, and I would like to know what do you know about Care Foundation?
Care Foundation, I just got to know from the brochure which you had. You've been running charities around the world, or I think around Pakistan mainly, and that's all. I just need to know more. That's why I've come here to inquire more. Yeah.
And are you contributing your?
I would be. Obviously it's something which is for a good cause. So definitely yes.
Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Tell me about Care Foundation.
I think it's a great organization and they're really helping out a lot of people, and doing charity shows like these ones can really help a lot. I mean, it's doing something for the community, and getting the cream of Pakistan around is, I think it's a great job. And if you lend a helping hand to one person, I think it actually is infectious. So if it's just not, if it's CARE or if it's any other organization, I think it's a great job. Thank you so much.
Actually, they're doing a lot of charity work, and this is especially for the flood victims there. So it's a good work they're doing over here.
Care Foundation, it's one of those where you really want to give money because you know कि जहाँ पैसे जा रहे हैं, it's definitely gonna turn out in a better way. So it's amazing.
Are you contributing?
Yes, we did.
And for noble cause, it's a cause for human nutrition, and we are always there for any foundation, for any charity, for any good cause. My whole family is already committed themselves. Also, Hashif Foundation is doing a lot of work, and I wish you all the very best for them. This is a good one.
Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
आसान जी
बताएं केयर फाउंडेशन के बारे में.
Well, it's a charity foundation. They do a lot of charity work for the sake of the welfare of schools, building schools, and for reviving the flood affected people जो floods हुए हैं. तो ये एक सिलसिला जारी है हमेशा. They're doing a good job, माशाल्लाह.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Would you like to tell me about Care Foundation?
हाँ जी, it's a charity organization for school, for children, you know, basically living in Pakistan, underprivileged children. So we all supporting it, that's why we are here today.
Thank you so much. Care Foundation के बारे में
जी, केयर फाउंडेशन जो है उनके हम फंक्शन अटेंड करने आए हैं और मैं उनको पाकिस्तान से जानता हूँ. स्कूल्स हैं उनके, बड़ा अच्छा वो काम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ जी, what do you know about Care Foundation?
Quite a lot. Well, I've been associated with CARE from day one since they came to Dubai. When Seema came here, and my wife was involved with that from day one, and we know they're doing a very good job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What do you know about Care Foundation?
Care Foundation, it's a charity organization which supports kids education in Pakistan, and at the moment they are opening schools for the flood relief kids which have been left with no schooling. So that's what we're here for.
Yes, we have none other than Riz Ali Shah over here from Pakistan.
Well, Sophie, you know, for Dubai, I can always like put a pause for all my sort of busy engagements, and I love Dubai. And my best friend Amir Mazhar, who's a very famous event manager, was also here, and I just sort of escaped from Pakistan for a 5-day break. So it's always good to be here.
Tell me, what do you know about Care Foundation?
I think Care Foundation is doing a fantastic work. They have so many good events in Pakistan also, and now they're having this one in Dubai. And I think any work which has such good philanthropy basically is good. And I think that so many people, you know, who are well off and all, if they all chip in and they put together to help others, I think Allah is there to basically, you know, and they are doing a very good job, and I wish them all the best, and I hope more and more people come up like this and do these kind of charity events.
Very true. जी आमिर, मुझे बताएं कि आप हर फैशन इवेंट और हर चीज़ में होते हैं, फंड रेजिंग इवेंट में भी आप आजकल हर जगह नज़र आ रहे हैं.
हाँ जी, बस वो सहर, the president of the Care Foundation is a good friend. She called and I said हम लोग मौजूद होंगे बिल्कुल, जिस तरह भी सपोर्ट हो सकेगी, we'll definitely be there to support this cause. हाँ जी, देखिए फंड रेजिंग इज़ अ नोबल कॉज. आपको जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी जहाँ पे भी मिले उसे ज़रूर करना चाहिए, बिकॉज I mean this is your way of giving back to the society, giving back to the people who deserve it more. कि yes, I mean आप अपने साथ साथ दूसरों का भी ख्याल रख रहे हैं.
So sweet. केयर फाउंडेशन एक नया नाम नहीं, एक बहुत माना हुआ नाम है जो कि फंड रेजिंग करता है हर साल की तरह. आज फिर एक नया इवेंट लेके वो फंड रेजिंग कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पे उनकी फाउंडर मौजूद है, उनसे हम थोड़ी बात कर लेंगे. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सोफिया, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू. आप कैसी हैं?
अल्लाह का शुक्र. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग.
इट्स माय प्लेजर कि मैं आपका ऐसा इवेंट जो कि फंड रेजिंग का है और वो भी आप अपनी पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी कम्युनिटी को मिला के कर रही हैं. इट्स सो गुड. आई वांट टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट यू ऑन दैट.
थैंक यू सोफिया, थैंक यू फॉर द काइंड वर्ड्स.